Hi everybody, welcome back. So I got a little workbench update for you today. I'm gonna show off the new car that I'm working on, but first I wanted to get through a couple of mail calls. So the first one was from Justin at J Hart Model Works. There's his email if you want a shop card from him, and YouTube. He has a wonderful channel. He does amazing work, amazing modifications and detail work on his models. So if you're not subscribed, please go check him out. And then my other one is James Morris, and his channel is superb, and it's Morris Custom Model Shop. Again, you can find him on Facebook and YouTube. Thank you both for the great words. I do appreciate it. Yeah, if you're not subscribed to either one of these guys, please go check them out. Okay? Justin, James, Justin, James, Justin, James, Justin, James. Okay, enough of that. Anyway. Okay, so I decided to work on Tamiya's Volkswagen Karmann Ghia, the 1966 coupe. This is a car, when I first saw one back in the 80s, I've always wanted one. To this date, I have not purchased one other than this model. So that's about as close as I've gotten to actually owning a Karmann Ghia. But if I ever end up getting the money or anything like that, maybe I'll buy one. We'll see what happens. But anyway, this is the kit. So far it's going together really, really well. I'll just show you. Here's the body. I decided to go with a red body for it. And I'll show you the interior in a second, but the interior will be tan. And the body color was done with splash paints, Rosa Corso. I think that turned out really, really well. I will probably end up wet sanding it a little bit. There were a couple of rough spots. Here's the hood for the trunk, or for the engine, sorry. It's the hood for the engine. And then that's what the interior color is going to look like. I'll show you the dashboard I'm working on. So the dash in these cars was also the body color. So just got that done. I have to start painting in the details for the dials and everything. So there's that. I'll probably add some details to the seat. Maybe just put a little bit of a brown wash in there or something, just to get a little bit more depth. Something really light, just make it stand out a little bit. But we have that. And then here's the engine. I am not going to wire this up. I'm just going to continue going with the way it is. So far this has gone together really, really well. The front does move. I'm not going to force it though. Now I'm just starting to get the interior put together. And wheels. And that's about it. So that's kind of what I'm working on. I'm kind of hoping I'll get some time today to maybe get most of it completed before wet sanding the body and stuff like that. I'll probably do that last before I put everything together. But the kit is actually going together really, really well. I'm very happy with it. And there's been no fit issues at all with this. So if you're looking for one, I did get this off of eBay. They are not cheap. I think I spent $60 for this kit. So yeah, I've seen them go for a whole lot more, and it seems like most of them are overseas in Japan. So I was lucky enough, I found somebody here in the United States who had one, and I was able to pick it up. But yeah, that's what I got today. Just a real quick video, just to show you guys some progress. Also, I'm going to start working on this guy. This is a FER bust, a miniatures bust of Jean Fantine. He was a pirate in the 1600s, late 1600s. So we're going to go with that. So that'll be the next big figure that I'm going to be working on. So that's all I have. I hope everybody's doing well. I hope everybody's going to have a great weekend and a great upcoming week. And I want to thank all my subscribers, all new and old. I thank you very much for stopping by and paying attention to my channel. I know recently, within the last couple of weeks, I crossed 400 subscribers, and I think I'm going to do a giveaway for the 400 subs. I wanted to see if it leveled out, because I had hit like 405 and then it dropped down below 300 and then it popped back up again. So I was just kind of waiting to see if it had leveled out first before I decided to do this. So I am going to do a giveaway for the 400 subscribers. So I just have to figure out exactly what I want to do and how I want to do it. So stay tuned. That'll be upcoming probably within this week, I'm guessing. So without further ado, everybody have a great weekend. Thank you again for everybody stopping by, paying attention. Love all your comments. Please like, share, and comment the video. I will talk to you all soon. Bye.